Hello. In this video, I will show you how to change the payment method on Paramount Plus. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly, open your browser, then open Paramount Plus. So after that, what you have to do is just simply go to your profile and then open the settings panel. So I will continue the process on a different platform, but the settings will be same. Now, once you're inside your Paramount Plus dashboard, over here, you should be able to see a settings panel as you can see right over here. Go to the settings panel, then go to my accounts, and inside my account you should be able to see manage an add-on section or subscription and billing section. Just simply look in any one of them where your payment method is attached. So as you can see right over here, you will have your payment method and it is attached in subscription and billing. So over here, click on the manage option. Then you can just simply add a new card directly. So add your name, last name, card number, the expiration, the year, the security code, and the billing zip code. And once you do that, just click on save. And after that, you have successfully added your new payment method right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.